If you've ever wanted to create stunning videos without being a pro editor, this is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut AI to generate viral quality videos in minutes. No expensive software, no complex editing, just your phone or laptop and one powerful app. CapCut AI is an all-in-one video editor with powerful artificial intelligence features that help you automate editing, remove backgrounds, generate subtitles, create animations, and even build entire videos from text or templates. Whether you're a beginner, a faceless content creator, or a brand, CapCut AI gives you everything. Let me walk you through every AI-powered feature CapCut offers from start to finish. Step 1. Open CapCut or visit CapCut. You can use CapCut on mobile or desktop. But to access all CapCut AI features like text-to-video, auto captions, or background remover, go to CapCut.com, https://www.capcut.com and sign in. From the home dashboard, you'll see AI tools immediately. Step 2. Use AI Video Generator. One of CapCut's most powerful tools is its AI Video Generator. Just go to the AI Tools tab and choose Script to Video or Cloud Prompt to Video. Here's how it works. Type a topic or description like healthy, morning routine, or how to make passive income. CapCut will generate a full video using stock footage, text, transitions, and even AI voiceover. You can customize the layout, style, pacing, and background music before exporting. Step 3. AI Script Generator. CapCut offers an AI script tool that writes your video script based on a title or niche. To use, go to the Glider Tools White tab, AI. Type your topic, e.g., tips to go viral on TikTok. It generates a voiceover-ready script with multiple scenes, ideas, and CTA lines. Step 4. AI Voice Generator, text-to-speech. Need narration? CapCut lets you turn any text into natural-sounding speech using their text-to-speech engine. To use, go to bar text equality text-to-speech. Type your narration, choose from dozens of voices, male, female, accents, tones, preview, and apply to your timeline instantly. Step 5. Auto captions with AI. No more typing, out subtitles. Tap your clip, then select auto captions. CapCut AI will detect spoken words, generate timed subtitles in seconds. Let you edit font, color, animation, and positioning. This improves watch time and makes your content more accessible. Step 6. AI Background Remover. Don't have a green screen? No problem. Tap a clip, go to Remove Background. And CapCut AI will cleanly isolate your subject from any background. No manual masking needed. Perfect for faceless reels, gaming overlays, talking head videos, green screen style. Edits. Step 7. Smart Cut, auto scene detection. Want to remove silences or dead space? Use CapCut's Core Smart Cut. Tap your timeline. Click on Auto Cut. CapCut analyzes your footage and trims out filler, silence, or redundant parts. This saves hours of editing. Step 8. AI Templates. CapCut's AI templates are ready-to-use formats where you drop in your clips and everything, transitions, music, text, animation is done for you. To use on mobile, tap Templates and search a keyword, e.g. motivational, fitness, vlog. Tap Use Template. Add your photos or videos. CapCut auto-syncs it with the template design. This is great for fast TikTok or reel content. Step 9. Auto Beat Sync. CapCut's AI can detect beats in music and sync your cuts to match. Just tap the music track. Choose Beat Detection. It adds rhythm markers, drag your cuts to match the beats. Pro-level editing. Step 10. AI Image 2. Video. You can now generate videos from just images. Upload a set of pictures and select an image to video on under the AI tab. CapCut will animate the images, add zoom effects, insert transitions, and music great for slideshows, quote videos, or memorial-style content. Step 11. AI Face Enhancer. Avatars. for face-based content. CapCut AI lets you smooth skin automatically, add makeup, create cartoon avatars. These features are under the Beauty and Avatars tab. Step 12, generate titles. Hooks with AI, need an idea? CapCut AI suggests headlines and text animations. Just click and text a copy mount and type a theme. It will generate viral titles, on screen, hook phrases, call to actions for better engagement. Step 13, text animation. With AI motion tracking. Want text to follow a moving object? Use AI motion tracking. Tap your clip, select your subject. Add text, enable tracking. The text follows your subject automatically. Step 14, AI voice. Cloning Premium. With CapCut Pro, you can upload a sample of your voice and clone it. You'll then be able to generate future voiceovers using your cloned voice. This is perfect for brand channels. Step 15, export and share. Once done, hit about export lights. Choose the format based on your platform. TikTok, Shakir 916. YouTube, Shakir 16:9. You can share directly or schedule using CapCut's publishing tools. Pro tips, keep videos short and fast-paced. Use subtitles and sound effects. Use templates for fast. Results, add human voice or AI speech for relatability. Conclusion, CapCut AI changes the game. It automates 70% of your video workflow. Script writing, editing, voice, captions, background music, all done in minutes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this is the fastest way to produce content at scale. So if you want to create viral content, faceless videos, or start a YouTube Shorts empire, start with CapCut AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI content, hacks, and CapCut walkthroughs. Drop a comment if you want me to explore CapCut AI